Welcome everybody back to the fort, and in this video I want to show you guys a typical comfort station here at the fort. It's been a while since I showed you, so I hope this is informative for you guys. What can you find at a typical Fort Wilderness campground? This is a comfort station at the 2000 loop, which is a tent and pop-up loop, and I am about to show you guys what there is. All right, so let's go check it out. It's been a while since we did a comfort station review. So here, a key, your magic band is required from midnight to 6 a.m. There is Braille writing on here. I've already gone in here and I know there's no one in here because I came in and checked before I started videoing, of course. So I'm gonna do this super quick before people come in. They do have a handicap accessible toilet. They have 3 stalls. Very clean at all times, might I say. Then you have your sink. They have outlets here if you'd like to plug in your flat iron or your hair dryer, anything that you might need to get ready in the morning or in the evening. Now this comfort station is pretty much the same thing you see at every loop. They have a baby changing station. They have hooks here. They all have handicap accessible showers. It's going to close on me. Of course, this door opens out. It's wide enough for a wheelchair or a stroller or anything you may need to help someone with, or if you yourself need a handicap accessible shower. Has a little bench there so you can transfer if you need to do that. So they do have that. They have the hooks right here. They are lower than the other hooks I'm noticing, which is a very good thing. Now let's see the other showers. So what I do like about these showers is there is a door, a little changing area where you can put your bag, your towel, your clothes, and then they also have a shower curtain. So not only do you have your door with a lock, but you also have a shower curtain. Inside each of the showers, they do have a cubby for you to put your shampoo, your toiletries if you need to. I must say that there is good pressure in these showers. We've used them many times. As you can see, there is a bench right there so you could sit and wait for someone. Maybe you want to put your shoes on right here when you get out of the shower, or take them off before your shower. Each of the comfort stations have 3 showers that are regular and 1 handicap accessible shower. Right here they also have this safety box to dispose if you maybe have diabetes, if you have diabetic needles or whatnot. They do have somewhere for you to put discard your needles. So this is pretty much what all of the comfort stations look like. I will say the ones that are the most used, in my opinion, would be the tent and pop-up loop. And guess what, guys? This is the comfort station that is located in the 2000 loop. And look how clean it is. This one gets the most use, I would think. So let's go check out the laundry area for those of you who have never seen it. I also want to point out that they have a paper towel dispenser that's lower, as well as the paper towel dispenser that is higher. Also handicap accessible, and as well as the sinks. The sinks are lower, and then they have the higher. All right, let's move on to the laundry. Okay, at every comfort station, you will also find campground information. Here is what they give you when you first check in. It gives you the movies, the times, the different activities. These two things you get when you check in. They also have information about the horseback riding, pony rides, wagon rides, carriage rides. A note from the general manager of Fort Wilderness. I'll let you guys pause that and read it if you would like. This is a big question we also have all the time. The general cart rules. This is the one that a lot of people ask about. Then you also have authorized vehicles. These are also authorized, and these are the unauthorized. So no drones, none of those little skateboardy things. No go-karts, skateboards. They also have Trails End information, times and stuff. Crockett's Tavern. The Hoop-de-Doo musical review. As well as a house phone where you can get in contact with the front desk if you need to. So this phone also works for emergencies. General guest information, Disney transportation, front desk, housekeeping, custodial, engineering. So if you need your grill cleaned, for example, you can always call the front desk and ask them to have somebody come over and clean the grill when they come around in the mornings and clean out the sites. They could stop by your site and clean out the charcoal from your grill. You can also make dining and priority seating here. So dining reservations from this phone. Lost and Found, the marina, the Sea Ray rentals, pontoon rentals. So if you have information about that, you don't have to go down there. You can just go to your comfort station and find out information. The bike barn, the fishing gear, canoe and kayak rentals. The electric golf cart rentals, they have a phone number there for that. Tri-Circle D Ranch, I'm sure that has changed, but maybe that's going to connect you straight to the front now, to the current area where they do the horse trails and the pony rides. Meadows Trading Post, Settlement Trading Post, and then you can also call a cabin if you wanted to. You can also use this phone to do the WDW Play for the archery and Segway tours, fishing excursions, and any other Walt Disney locations. So like I said, this phone is located at every one of the comfort stations here at the fort. Alright, so the laundry is locked at all times, so all you gotta do is get your magic band and you're in. We came over to the 1900 because I had forgotten the magic band in the RV. So this is the laundry room at the comfort station at the 1900, although they are all basically the same except for the one at the cabins. If you watch our video about that, it is a little bit larger because it accommodates all of the cabins. So here we have 5 washers, a sink, which by the way is pretty low, so it is handicap accessible. They have the paper towels. Those are pretty high up, but they do have the sink down there. Everything is front loaded. They have a little area here for you to fold your clothes. If you decide you want to just wait in here for your laundry, they have a little chair there. They have water fountains. This is where you would pay if you want to with a credit card or a debit card. And all the instructions on how to do that are here. Don't forget that in the front of the campground, when you check in, you can buy a prepaid laundry card. They also have 6 dryers, front loaded, and they also sell detergent and dryer sheets. So let's see how much they are. $1. So it is $1 for 1 load, a little box for 1 load, as well as 2 dryer sheets. And you also need to use either a MasterCard, Visa, or Discover here. There is also a little table there and a little area here where you can also fold your laundry. So that pretty much wraps it up for the laundry area at the comfort stations. And don't forget the ice machine. There is an ice machine at every one of the comfort stations. Although don't forget, you can also buy ice at the Meadows and the Trading Post, the Meadows Trading Post and the Settlement Trading Post. You can also buy a bag of ice there, but you might want to watch our video on getting ice at the fort using these machines. We have a special tip. You should watch that one. I'm going to show you one of the comfort stations here at the fort. This is the 2000 loop, which is a tent and pop-up loop. What are you guys doing?